Breaking bread, building bonds. Ramadan recipes for unity and wellness. In the Islamic calendar, Ramadan stands as a sacred month, marked by devout observance of fasting from dawn until sunset. It is a time of spiritual reflection, self-discipline, and communal solidarity. Yet beyond its profound religious significance, Ramadan also serves as a gateway to a culinary journey, offering an array of delectable and nutritious recipes for the Iftar meal, the evening meal that breaks the fast. Ramadan's recipes are not merely about satisfying hunger, they are about nourishing both the body and soul. As the sun sets and the call to prayer signals the end of the day's fast, families and communities gather around tables adorned with an array of dishes, eagerly anticipating the first bite after a day of abstention. One of the hallmarks of Ramadan cuisine is its diversity, reflecting the rich culinary traditions of Muslim communities around the world. From savory dishes like biryani, kebabs, and samosas to sweet treats like baklava, kunafa, and dates, the iftar table offers something for every palate. But beyond its tantalizing flavors, Ramadan cuisine is also characterized by its nutritional value. Fasting during Ramadan provides an opportunity for individuals to reset their eating habits, focusing on wholesome, nourishing foods that fuel the body and promote overall well-being. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into iftar meals helps ensure a balanced diet that supports health and vitality. Moreover, fasting itself is recognized as one of the best cures for various ailments, both physical and spiritual. Scientific research has shown that intermittent fasting, such as that practiced during Ramadan, can have numerous health benefits, including improved metabolism, better blood sugar control, and enhanced cognitive function. By giving the digestive system a break and allowing the body to tap into its fat stores for energy, fasting promotes detoxification and rejuvenation at the cellular level. Furthermore, fasting fosters a sense of discipline and self-control, teaching individuals to resist temptation and exercise moderation in their daily lives. It cultivates mindfulness around eating habits, encouraging individuals to savor each morsel and appreciate the blessings of sustenance. In this way, fasting becomes not only a physical practice, but also a spiritual one, deepening one's connection to God and fostering a sense of gratitude for the abundance of blessings bestowed upon them. Indeed, Ramadan is not just about abstaining from food and drink, it is about embracing a holistic lifestyle that encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. It is a time for self-reflection, self-improvement, and selflessness as Muslims strive to deepen their faith, strengthen their character, and cultivate compassion for those less fortunate. In essence, Ramadan recipes for a delicious and nutritious iftar are not just about what is on the plate. They are about the values and principles that guide a Muslim's way of life. They are a testament to the profound wisdom of Islam, which emphasizes balance, moderation, and mindfulness in all aspects of existence. And as Muslims around the world come together to break their fast during Ramadan, they not only nourish their bodies but also nourish their souls, forging bonds of community, compassion, and love that transcend borders and unite humanity in the shared experience of fasting and feasting. Let's delve deeper into the multifaceted aspects of Ramadan, its recipes, and the significance of fasting. Ramadan, the holiest month in the Islamic calendar, is a time of spiritual reflection, self-restraint, and devotion. Central to this sacred period is fasting, where Muslims abstain from food, drink, smoking, and other physical needs from dawn until sunset. While the primary purpose of fasting is to fulfill one of the 5 pillars of Islam and deepen one's connection with God, it also offers profound physical and mental benefits. During Ramadan, the Iftar meal, which breaks the fast at sunset, holds immense significance. It is a moment of celebration, community, and culinary delight. Across diverse Muslim cultures, iftar tables are adorned with a rich tapestry of dishes, each bearing its own cultural heritage and flavor profile. From the savory aromas of Moroccan tagines and Egyptian koshari to the sweet delights of Turkish baklava and Pakistani sheer kurma, iftar offers a gastronomic journey that transcends borders and unites hearts. Yet beyond its gastronomic pleasures, Ramadan cuisine is characterized by its nutritional value and health benefits. Fasting during Ramadan provides a unique opportunity to reset eating habits, promote mindful consumption, and rejuvenate the body. By abstaining from food and drink during daylight hours, fasting allows the digestive system to rest, promoting detoxification and enhancing metabolic function. Furthermore, research suggests that intermittent fasting, such as that practiced during Ramadan, can lead to improvements in cardiovascular health, weight management, and insulin sensitivity. Moreover, fasting holds a profound spiritual significance in Islam. It is not merely an act of physical abstinence, but a means of cultivating discipline, empathy, and gratitude. Through fasting, Muslims are reminded of the plight of the less fortunate, fostering empathy and compassion for those who struggle with hunger and deprivation. It is a time for self-reflection, repentance, and spiritual growth as Muslims strive to deepen their connection with God and seek forgiveness for past transgressions. In essence, Ramadan embodies the holistic principles of Islam, emphasizing the interconnectedness of body, mind, and spirit. Through fasting and iftar, Muslims not only nourish their bodies, but also nourish their souls, fostering a sense of unity, humility, and gratitude. As they gather with family and friends to share in the blessings of iftar, they are reminded of the importance of community, generosity, and solidarity in the face of adversity. Let's explore further. Ramadan, the month of fasting, holds a unique position in Islam, serving as a time of spiritual rejuvenation, self-discipline, and self-improvement. While the act of fasting itself is a cornerstone of Islamic practice, Ramadan goes beyond abstaining from food and drink. It encompasses a comprehensive lifestyle approach that integrates physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Central to the Ramadan experience is the iftar meal, which marks the breaking of the fast at sunset. This meal holds immense significance not only as a moment of physical nourishment but also as a time for communal bonding, gratitude, and reflection. From traditional dishes passed down through generations to innovative culinary creations inspired by global cuisines, iftar menus showcase the diversity and richness of Muslim culinary heritage. The recipes featured during Ramadan are not only delicious, but also designed to provide sustenance and nourishment after a day of fasting. They are often rich in complex carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, and minerals, offering a balanced and nutritious meal to replenish energy stores and support overall health. From hearty soups and stews to wholesome grains and legumes, Ramadan recipes prioritize ingredients that promote satiety, hydration, and vitality. Moreover, the act of fasting itself is recognized as one of the best cures for various ailments, both physical and spiritual. Beyond its physical benefits, fasting has been shown to have profound effects on mental clarity, emotional well-being, and spiritual enlightenment. By abstaining from worldly distractions and focusing inward, Muslims use the month of Ramadan as an opportunity for introspection, self-reflection, and personal growth. In addition to its individual benefits, fasting during Ramadan fosters a sense of solidarity and empathy within the global Muslim community. As Muslims around the world observe the fast together, they are united in their shared experience of sacrifice, discipline, and devotion. This collective consciousness serves as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of humanity and the importance of compassion, generosity, and social responsibility. Ultimately, Ramadan embodies the holistic principles of Islam, emphasizing the integration of physical health, mental well-being, and spiritual growth. Through fasting, iftar, and acts of charity, Muslims seek to cultivate a balanced and purposeful lifestyle that aligns with the teachings of their faith. As they engage in the rituals and traditions of Ramadan, they strive to attain a deeper understanding of themselves, their relationship with God, and their place in the world. In conclusion, Ramadan recipes for a delicious and nutritious iftar offer more than just culinary delights. They are a testament to the profound wisdom of Islam and the enduring values of compassion, moderation, and mindfulness. As Muslims around the world observe Ramadan, they embody these values in their daily lives, seeking to attain spiritual fulfillment, physical well-being, and social harmony. Through fasting and feasting, they honor the sacred traditions of their faith and strive to live in accordance with its teachings. spreading love, peace and goodwill to all.